Top story this evening, Johnson&Johnson asking the FDA for emergency authorization. So what does it mean for us? Well, more vaccines, which should lead to more people vaccinated.
And one of the clinical trials for that vaccine was done at Stanford. NBC Bay Area's Cull spoke with the doctors there on what to expect and when.
Tonight, the U.S. is closer to getting its third COVID vaccine. Johnson&Johnson is requesting emergency FDA authorization to start distributing its single-dose vaccine. The approval could come by the end of the month. The company says it was 72% effective in the U.S. trial in preventing moderate to severe COVID-19 infections. It's lower than the Pfizer and Moderna effectiveness, around 95%. But doctors say there are other important factors.
But it's still highly efficacious, really prevented all hospitalizations.
Stanford was one of the sites conducting the Johnson&Johnson phase 3 trial. This video shows the first injection in the Bay Area back in October.
While the DSMB.
Dr. Aruna Subramanian on the left was one of the investigators of the trial, and she says one of the best features is the vaccine can be stored in a refrigerator instead of a special freezer like the first two.
The supply chain is much easier, getting it out to places, storing it in places, and not letting it expire will be much easier.
The single-shot vaccine essentially uses a common cold virus to deliver coronavirus genetic material into the body with the goal of sparking an immune response.
Because the one-dose aspect of it is a huge deal.
UCSF infectious disease expert Dr. Monica Gandhi says the third vaccine will help with the rollout and is similar to the others in the most important category, saving lives.
All of them, including Johnson&Johnson, 100% protected all participants who got the vaccine from hospitalizations and deaths. That is a figure that I think we're not talking about enough and is across all variants.
Johnson&Johnson says it will begin distribution immediately following authorization and expects 100 million doses shipped by the end of June. Cull, NBC Bay Area News.